Welcome to WizzKidz TV. We have a noisy pop-up book here today. It's about sea animals. Let's see what we have inside. Seals. Seals are very fast swimmers. Some seals use their flippers to fly through the water and their back feet to steer.
Wow!
Penguins use their flippers like flying birds. Let's listen to the penguins again. Let's see what's on the next page. Blue whales are the loudest animals on Earth.
Wow!
They produce sound that can be heard by other blue whales hundreds of miles away. Dolphins make squeaky sounds to communicate with one another. Let's see what we have next. The albatross is one of the largest flying birds in the world. They have a very wide wingspan and spend most of their lives on the open ocean. Seabirds such as Atlantic puffins, ospreys, and Arctic terns dive into the water to catch fish. Let's see what we have next. There are more than 400 types of sharks that swim in Earth's ocean. The most dangerous sharks are the great white, tiger, hammerhead, mako, and bull shark. While one of the ocean's fastest swimmers is the yellowfin tuna. Let's see what's on the next page. Coral reef fishes use their striking pattern and colors to hide or scare away predators. Seahorses are poor swimmers. They move very slow and often rest with their tail wound around an object. Let's see what's next. Dolphins. Look at the dolphins. Dolphin and porpoises are marine mammals. There are more types of dolphins than porpoises in the ocean. They look very similar. However, they have different mouths, fins, and bodies. Can you spot the difference? Look at the dolphin's mouth. And look at the porpoise's mouth. They're very different, but kind of look very similar. Let's see what we have next. Sea turtles are marine reptiles. These ocean-dwelling creatures are found in many of the oceans. The green turtle is one of the largest sea turtles. Sea turtles spend most of their life underwater, but need to come up for air to refill their lungs. Let's listen to them again. These are seals and penguins. Blue whales. Different types of birds. Sharks. Look how sharp the teeth are. This is the coral reef and many different types of fishes. Dolphins and sea turtles. Thank you so much for reading the book with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!